After showing off several of its past concepts earlier this month, Toyota has now provided a preview of 2 upcoming concepts that will be displayed at the imminent Japan Mobility Show, October 26th to November 5th. Both are battery electric vehicles and will offer personal ride customization, and all the usual connectivity features one expects of the contemporary EV, but each has its own style and character. One is an SUV, while the other is a 2-door sports coupe. The SUV is called FT3E and is said to be capable of contributing to carbon neutrality by connecting to society as a transfer medium for energy and data from the vehicle and its surroundings, suggesting that the concept will have some means of calculating more efficient routes based on cloud data. Toyota will explain how this works at the show, as well as show off the digital displays along the SUV's side. These run from the lower side of the body to the upper door, providing information such as battery charge level, onboard temperature, and interior air quality as the driver approaches the vehicle. The second concept is called FT-SE and is touted as a high-performance sports BEV model proposed as one of the options for sports cars in the carbon-neutral era, and this is said to take lessons from Toyota Gazoo Racing's competitive exploits in motorsport. As the curvaceous body indicates, this car will focus on handling stability and aerodynamic performance, but it still shares major components with the above-mentioned FT3E. The wide, low sports car has hints of the GR Supra in its design, while the cabin has another new take on the yoke-style steering wheel, along with a low-mounted digital driver display. Another 2 smaller screens are placed on either side of the tiller, while knee pads have been added to protect the body from G-forces during driving. A smattering of GR badges and a black roof add to the aggressive look, as does a massive rear diffuser. Will these vehicles one day see production? Quite possibly. FT stands for Future Toyota, and the FT1 evolved to become the GR Supra of today. We can expect elements of these concepts, if not full production viable copies, to someday reach the market. What we are certain of is that the FT-SE will not be identical to the concept sports car Toyota previewed in 2021, below, among 15 other future EVs. The new teasers showed distinctly different detailing on the B-pillar, air intakes, and rear haunch design. Toyota's future EVs will be both quick to charge and capable of very long drives, and if they look anything like these concepts, they should be very compelling. Thankfully, the automaker is also continuing to explore other options beyond EVs.